Hello everyone, this is Kevin with PZ Trading, and in this video I'm going to talk about the day trading indicator, which is only available at point0-trading.com. It's the most popular and loved of our indicators, and its algorithm has been deeply revised and updated recently. I'm going to walk you through what the indicator does, its main features, and input parameters. So without further ado, let's load the main indicator to the chart. Once the indicator loads, you'll see it displays breakouts on the chart. If the chart remains empty, make sure to enable DLL calls in your Metatrader platform. This indicator detects breakouts of variable bar lengths in a zigzag fashion without repainting or backpainting. In order for a signal to appear, a relatively narrow price range must be broken by a single breakout bar, moment at which the trading signal is drawn, as a colored rectangle with a breakout arrow. This indicator implements performance statistics to help you find the best parameters for any chart by yourself. It also implements a multi-timeframe scanner and a multi-timeframe dashboard. Signals can be blue or red. Blue signals are bullish and red signals are bearish. Since the indicator has to draw signals in a zigzag fashion and can't afford to ignore a price reversal, not all signals have the same actionable quality. But good quality signals have common characteristics, which are easily identifiable. First, the price range should be narrow relative to the amount of bars that are inside it. And second, the breakout bar must be decisive and big relative to the price range being broken. For instance, this breakout is probably not a great signal. The breakout price range is wide and it gives the market a ton of wiggle room to move against the trade. However, this breakout is much better. The price range broken is narrow and the breakout bar is big relative to the price range. You can also confirm trades using an oversold, overbought indicator of your choosing on a higher time frame, such as TDI or Bollinger Bands. How to trade with this indicator is up to you. There are literally hundreds of creative and profitable ways to trade it. There is a statistics widget on the top left corner of the chart. You can drag it around if you need to. It measures the accuracy of the past breakouts detected in the chart and other interesting values. The MFE is the average favorable excursion of the signals in the chart, and the MAE is the average adverse excursion of the signals in the chart. The difference between the MFE and the MAE is the expectancy in pips for each signal, the number from which you'd have to subtract spread and slippage to measure the actual quality of the trading signals. These values help you to find the best parameters for any symbol and time frame. And last but not least, the dashboard can be hidden by setting the statistics parameter to false. The second widget is the dashboard, which displays the last signal for each time frame of the current instrument. Kindly note that these values are not trading signals, but rather should act as an overall market direction confirmation. To scan other symbols and time frames for trading signals, you should use the scanner indicator. We'll get to the scanner indicator soon enough, but first, let's review the main input parameters of the main indicator. The first input parameter of the indicator is called range, and it controls the minimum amount of bars that must be inside a breakout range. To trade small time frames, you should increase the range, and to trade higher time frames, you can decrease the range. The default range value of 10 bars is perfect to trade H1 or H4 charts. The second input parameter is called filter, and it behaves by trying to separate opposite breakouts from each other using a Donchian filter. A higher filter will cause opposite trades to be more separated from each other in price terms, but adverse excursion values will increase. A lower filter will cause opposite signals to be closer to each other. Finally, the max history bars parameter is just the amount of past bars to evaluate when loading the indicator to the chart. If you want to see a lot of historical breakouts, you'll need to set a big number here. If you just care about recent breakouts, you can set a smaller number and speed up the loading time of the indicator. The indicator implements visual, email, and push alerts for your convenience, which can be enabled or disabled at will in the indicator inputs. All the other parameters of the indicator are display related only. You can change the color and sizes of virtually anything to match your chart color profile. Since these parameters are easy to explore on your own later, let's move to the second leg of this product, the scanner indicator, which is provided in the download link upon purchase as well. The scanner indicator can monitor lots of instruments and timeframes from a single chart without the need to load the main indicator hundreds of times in other charts. When a breakout is found, it's displayed on the scanner indicator. An alert is raised and you can open the relevant chart right away clicking on the View button. Once you do, the chart will open with your default chart template, and you can proceed to load the main indicator in the chart to see the pattern and take the needful trading decision. Please note that the scanner indicator should only be loaded in one chart and one chart only, because it's quite heavy in CPU usage relative to the main indicator, and this can make the loading of the indicator a bit of a pain. But once it's loaded, it will function only at bar closing of each time frame and CPU usage will decrease. You'll find the parameters of the scanner matching those in the main indicator, as they serve the same purpose for screening purposes. As a final note, please be advised that this indicator should not be traded as an always-in-the-market indicator. It gives no exit signals. It finds actionable, high-quality entry points for you to evaluate and trade. It provides no position management guidelines and displays not stop-loss or take-profit levels. The quality of the entry strategy is fantastic and should produce a windfall of profits in the hands of a capable trader. Thank you for watching. Visit our website at point0-trading.com.